Let's learn how to make Firefox your default browser on Windows 10 in a few simple steps. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of setting Firefox as your default browser, allowing you to enjoy a faster, safer, and more customizable browsing experience. For this, go to Search and Type Settings and select it from the list. Next, click on System. Then in Search, type Default App and select it from the list. Scroll down and under Web Browser, click on Listed Browser and select Firefox from it. Now we have successfully set Firefox as default browser. If you do not have this Firefox in web browser, then let's change default apps in file type, so click on it. Scroll down and change to open.html and .htm in Firefox as shown here. Change it to Firefox. In this, we can now successfully open any HTML page in Firefox. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.